Like very beautiful sea today. It's crystal clear. It's like the nicest time of the year for the sea because it's middle of April. Like 2 more weeks to go before the big wave starts. But now it's just like crystal clear. Yeah, here one place I go for coffee every morning. Just buy coffee in the coffee shop. It's very nice. Here's the beach club. Now it's closed. And here is Bangtao Beach. Beautiful day today. With some black clouds, so it's gonna be storm maybe. Every morning I'm careful that one of these coconuts doesn't fall on my head. I really enjoy these fishermen because they catch fresh fish every day, and then there is collecting point a little bit up the road. They're over there now, and you can buy fish straight from them or just in few hours from the market. It's also amazing. So yeah, that was my start of the day. A very nice day. So here I am, beautiful day. Just go to some nice place like on the beach. It's like a bar and very nice sea today, very still. See? It's like paradise. So nice in Thailand, like you always find what you want. You see, I just got a beer here. It's just like a perfect place. So yeah, now I will just finish this beer and then go for a walk a little bit. And down the beach I may find some nice spot and have a swim. So go for a short walk. Yeah, it's very nice here. Like proper tropical forest. It's not really tropical because this kind of trees you would also see in Mediterranean, but not this type. But still, like all around this is tropical. Yeah, I was about to go to swim and then I just had one drink, and while I had this drink the wind started, so I think I should still go for a swim. It's very beautiful, kind of unusual, it's very low tide. Yeah, beautiful beach. Yeah, I really enjoy myself like that, just hanging around, discovering different places. I'm just looking up now, I can see one eagle. I'm not sure if I could show you that, probably not. It's an eagle. Wonderful. Can you see? Up in the trees. It's pretty cool. In Thailand you can always see eagles flying like on the beach, is quite common. But yeah, I don't know if this beach looks like swimmer friendly too much. It doesn't really appear to me like too much swimmer friendly. Like, I don't know. You see eagle over there. Yeah, I think I will just go to the next bar down the beach and see how it's there. Maybe it's like more swimmer friendly place. But here I really like. I not really come often to this part of Bang Tao beach. It's like the end. I'm just looking up to the eagle. I really wish to show you this eagle. I don't think you will see it. It's always difficult on camera. Can you see it? I don't know if you will. Anyway, yeah, I really like this part of Bang Tao beach, I think, so I will come much more often. Here's like Nai Yang beach, I think it's called, at the end, and it's a national park, so but the clouds are coming very heavily, so there is going to be rain eventually. A sign here for horse riding. I see often people with horses on the beach because it's not allowed to drive with motorbike or ATV, quad bike, but horses are okay, so it's like a very good way to see the beach, I guess. But it's a little bit scary because always the dogs would be attacking the horse, and then I would worry that horse gets scared. Let's check inside this jungle what's going on here. It's always a factor that king cobra could be here because very few people are walking around these areas, and I always wonder, like, if you ask me on this stretch of the beach how many cobras live here or some poisonous snakes, and I don't know honestly, but maybe it's in hundreds, maybe it's in thousands, maybe it's zero, maybe it's one. I really don't know, but maybe there are hundreds of cobras here, who knows. Pretty nice. Yeah, I can go a little bit further. Looking under my feet, but it's not that I'm scared that the snake would bite me, but already if I see cobra, it's already a bad experience for me a little bit. If she stands up in front of me like she wanna attack me, it's definitely not a good experience. But yeah, I like it here a lot. Very, very nice stretch of the beach. Very private. You see there's just one family over there, so it's not like completely deserted. If there would be no one, you would feel like it's completely deserted like everywhere else in Thailand, but in Phuket always been different, because there were always people somewhere, you can buy something on the beach, but otherwise in Thailand there is sea all around the Thailand, and there is always beach like that, but it's just nothing there. Yeah, that was quite nice. I could have a seat and have another drink here, but life is never like that you can repeat nice moments twice. So I think I will just go. Yeah, thank you so much. I come again. Yeah, it was very nice here. See you. Maybe I could just drive and film. That's like my plan to do in the future, but I think I will get some helmet mount or something like that. Like, easier film. Now I have to drive with one hand, but it's alright. I'm used to going shopping often and then just have my groceries in one hand and drive. It's not so unusual, and also very little traffic here, so I should be okay. There's a car coming. This is a red. Just got attacked by a dog. It was kind of serious. I'm scared of dog. You could get bitten in theory by a dog. Hopefully not. But yeah, I got very scared now the dog attacked me. I was just standing there for too long, and it's never nice to get attacked by a dog. Yeah, maybe I will stop filming now and just drive, because maybe it's not even so nice what I film. And then I will make this kind of filming in the future. I mean, like driving and filming. Yeah, I just stopped in some bar further down the beach, and it's like really paradise here. Look, under the tree they have hammock. It's so nice. And I've never been here, and I pass by here hundreds of times because there's so many places like that that are just plain beautiful. So, it's super nice here. Yeah, what a beautiful life to see things like that on a regular basis. I could go to swim here, but I don't know. Very nice. I think this is maybe my new favorite place that I will be coming often. And the stuff is also very nice. So yeah, that's life. And the way to enjoy every moment that is given to you. It's not given to you, it's not like something that I believe. Some pretty cool fruit over here. See that? Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, I think it's very amazing. I think I'm on such a nice place because people are super friendly and it's just all good here. So yeah, just wanna share this happiness with you, to be on a perfect place like that. Like, have a look at that. Looks like paradise, no? Hammock here, another hammock here. Just few sunbeds. No one, just one guy sitting there, and that's it. Yeah, very nice here. I had my drink and I'm just going further now. Just the last look what this area is about. Here is like many people who have land, and then they just put like coconuts over here so they can register it as a farm. And this land is worth like a lot of money. I don't know, like maybe $10 million or something. The front sea land here in Phuket. but these particular people who just put coconuts here, they have many plots of land like this, and then they sold some already, and they don't want to sell this because they think they want to keep it for their children so they can sell it. So yeah, very nice. So yeah, I go further, and this is it. Yeah, the last look on this place where I was staying. It's very nice, and these people are so friendly, like one of the most friendly people I come across in a long time.